Welcome to this video, guys. In this video I will show you how to make the exploded view in SolidWorks for this Scotch Yoke mechanism and how to make the animation and save this. So let's begin. If you want to find the link of the videos of how to model then you can find all the video link in the description. Here in the assembly file we have this exploded view, so click on it, guys. Here we have the windows for the exploded view and you need to click on this window, and first I would like to select all of these bolts and they are appearing here in this window. So select all of these bolts, guys, all of the bolts, because I want all of these bolts to be exploded at the same time. Select this first option, guys, and here we have all the bolts disassembled, and here you can specify the distance as well, 140, and they are now 140 away. Click on done, and now we are ready for the next step. Select these two vertical supports, and if I just drag it to the right or left side, they are moving in one direction. But if I select the other option, let me just go back. Okay, this is the first step, so let me click on done. Okay, so if I want them to go in opposite direction, then I have to select the second option. And now if I drag them like this, they are going away from each other. I can specify the distance and click on done. So that's how we use these two options in exploded view. And now it's time to move this link away from the mechanism. I definitely have to select the first one because this is only one, and click on done. We don't need to specify the distance all the time, guys. It's optional. If we think that this is right distance away, we just click on done. Specifying distance is not necessary. And similarly, this shaft and the wheel and this vertical support, and click on done. And this base as well, this will go down, and done. Since we are all done, so I would like to click on this check and go to this configuration. This is the exploded view that I have created. Click on collapse, right click on explore, collapse, and this time animate explode. So when I click this animate explode, it automatically gets exploded. So here we have the bar where we can control it. This is the steps for go back, and these are the steps to move forward, right? So click on this bar and right click here and make, okay, so I need to cross this window, so make a new motion study, guys, and here I need to select this setting option, make the frame per second as 50, click OK, and then select this option. Let me delete before. If you have any exploded view before, just delete them because we need the current exploded view only. Do not delete the current exploded view, guys. Select this option and click on explode, and let's specify the time duration, guys, 6, and here 1. So for the time duration of 6 seconds, it will get explode like this. And now I need to make the same setting, do the same setting for the collapse. So click on this collapse and next, same time for the collapse, and here definitely we have to move forward, so I think 9 would be better, right? So from this to this, and it should start from here, so 9 would be better. And then click on calculate, it will start from right here, and then if I can show you by playing this button from here, it gets explode and then collapse. So now it's time to make the animation, guys. I will show you how to make the animation and save it into your computer or desktop. So here is the option of saving. You can rename it. This is optional. You can specify the name accordingly. AVI format is the best one, and here I would like to specify here 16:9 and specify the frame per second as 50 or 60 and click OK. I am just moving it fast forward because it's gonna take a lot of time, so I would like to save your time as well, guys. So it's saving in your computer as AVI video format. I have already uploaded all the videos on how to model it and how to assemble and perform motion study analysis, and this is the exploded view. So I would provide the link of playlist in the description. You can watch those videos as well. Thanks for watching, guys.